Hey Mama, we're on a road trip again, huh?
Hello peeps.
We are currently in Barrydale. We're going to have some lunch here by the country pumpkin.
Yeah, because we came through Trudeau Pass and my nerves are shot.
She wants
I want the
she
sherry.
wants a sherry now. We know they always give us sherry. Yeah, we're on our way to Matilo Cabin.
Yeah,
Just other side of Lady Smith. So yeah, we're looking forward to that.
ja.
It's nice and cold.
Dis
Cheers.
hoekom ek altyd van die plek hou.
We didn't come here for the food, just for the drinks. Cheers.
Lekker.
Is lekker ja.
Ek hoop hy gaan my warm maak.
Yo. Mama, round number 2. We're gonna spend some time here, I see. Huh? Keep them coming.
Die botteltjie koop.
Cheers.
Lekker.
Oh. Sure, look at this. Huh?
It's 2 days.
It's as if I'm hungry. Well, we left early this morning on the motorbike, and I'm telling you, driving on a motorbike makes you hungry.
Yeah,
Because
makes
it's
you
all the adrenaline. And it was cold this morning while we were driving.
And you can't sit so long, your bum is tired. So you have to stop.
Yes, but
all
this
the
looks
way.
nice.
Yeah.
Let me
I don't
put
know
it-
how I'm going to eat
let's
it
put
all,
it in the
but
sun.
good luck.
Yo, it's a big one. Mama? And you've got a salad there that I see I'm gonna get.
Yeah, I want some of the chips. You can have the noodles.
I want the noodle salad.
Yeah.
How's it, my love? We made it, huh? Can you believe it?
Nice day trip.
Jeez, but my ass is sore, huh?
Oh, don't worry, I'm going to put it in that nice hot tub now.
It's
Then
not
you
hot.
can relax.
It's not hot yet.
It's going to be quick because it's a tub zeta again.
Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
ya. But anyway, we made it to Matilo Cabins. Matilo Cabins is just between Ladysmith and Calitzdorp. You get a small little town, Zuar.
Zuar.
Zuar, yeah. And
First time I heard about that.
No, I actually know about Zuar. But that's where my dad's canopy flew off his bucket.
Oh, you told
I
me
told
the
you.
other day.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
we did pass there.
Yeah. You
I
know
was
this little
sleeping
town.
again.
But anyway, yeah, it's just outside of Zuar.
Just
About, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 kilometers. It's close, yeah. Or 10 I'm not sure. But it was quick.
Yeah, you can see it from the road.
Yeah,
sitting here on
we're on the road.
or op 'n knoppie.
Yeah, we're on the road to Calitzdorp. You can
Yeah.
see there at the back. You see there? There's the road to Calitzdorp.
Yeah, and there's a motorcycle motor rally on this
In
weekend.
Graafrenet, they said.
Yes, and you just see bikes passing.
It was-
What a nice...
Yeah, sight.
Thing to see.
Just now I was lighting the hot tub and there was like 20 Harleys
Yeah,
came
just
through.
came through.
You just hear blah, 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 blah,
Yeah.
but they do like 80 kilometers an hour. Shame,
Yeah.
poor things. Anyway, Mama, we're here. Let's show them this nice place.
Yeah,
Huh?
we actually sitting on the cactus deck.
Oh yeah, I must say there's 2 cabins here. The one is the aloe cabin.
Yeah.
And this one is the cactus deck. I always want to say cactus jack.
Me too.
But it's a cactus deck,
Deck, yeah.
cabin. So we've got the cactus deck cabin and the other one is the aloe cabin.
Yeah.
So get off me, man. I see you on me.
Carry me.
Get
Carry me onto the deck.
Get off me and, and show me the cabin.
Show me this your money.
We did a wardrobe change again because we had helmet hair and helmet faces and everything. We actually took about an hour and a half now to get ready.
To get ready.
So it's quite late. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but there's no sun today. Look at that. It's very cloudy.
Yeah,
but
and
it's
it was
nice.
cold on the way
It was
here.
cold, yeah, but it's now about 20 degrees. But it was
Yeah.
like 11 degrees this morning when we
Yeah.
left. It was cold. Right, we started the parking. You've got nice undercover parking. My bike is undercover there. It's lekker. There's a big Jojo tank, Roto tank. It's not a Jojo, but it's a Roto.
And when you get to the entry, just follow the cactuses.
Yeah, there's a lot of cactuses
There's
here.
a lot of cactuses.
Yes.
Mother and father cactus. Come.
And the one next to it looks like a little hussy.
Oh, sien.
A rabbit.
Oh,
A rabbit,
right,
rabbit.
You're gonna see things. As hy eerste grootpaas geval het, was dit nou.
Yeah, this is a very nice cabin. I love the view. It's a pity it's a bit cloudy today
Ja,
because everything is dark. But
look at this.
no pricks.
No pricks allowed.
No pricks allowed.
So hoe sê hulle, jy moet 'n lekker mens wees.
Mama, maar ons is mos.
Ons is lekker mense, dis hoekom ons hier is.
Oh, okay, I get it now. No pricks.
No pricks.
Mama, once again,
You
big
walk
deck.
onto this humongous deck.
Huh?
Hey?
So nice. Yo.
Wow, you can do a dance here.
Yeah, this is
I'm
really
sure
very
we
nice.
are still going to do that tonight.
I'm
feel
sure
like
we're gonna-
dancing under the stars.
I'm sure we're gonna gooi 'n dansie.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
This is a very nice touch to sit here and watch all
Yes,
over.
it's such a nice view.
Very nice, very
So nice. Yo.
Yeah, and then when you follow the deck, there's a sun lounger there where you can lie and get a nice tan. I'm
Not
so
today.
white.
Yeah, but not today.
Yeah, I know, it's winter.
Hey, it's winter, huh? It's
Yeah.
supposed to be cloudy.
And then if you just want to lie and sleep or you just want to
That's
chill,
nice. I like this.
this cargo nets is always one of my favorites.
Very nice. And you see they've got a little roof as well. You can close the
you
roof.
can close it if the sun is too much or
Yes.
whatever.
So you can have a lekker sleep here.
And when you turn around, one of our favorites,
Tabzete.
Tabzeta.
Again, what is going on? Huh?
Very nice.
Twice in a row.
And now you know, when it's Tabzeta tubs we sit till the sun goes down.
Yeah, but
you
to-
never get out because you're submerged to there.
Last week we sat till after 10 and
I
then we
know.
only lit the fire.
I know.
This week we're not going to do that.
Why not? It's a Tabzeta.
No, we're
you
not
have
going
to sit.
we're not going to have a rover aunt like that again.
No, you can just sit and chill in the hot tub.
Mama, and this one is actually very, very nice.
Yeah?
It's got a spoon. Spoon is somewhere. I saw it. Oh,
Yeah,
there.
there.
I've put the spoon down there.
Yeah.
But you don't need the spoon here because look at this. This one has got like a little pump
a
there.
pompie.
Yeah, it's a pumpy.
Ah,
Like a pump with a filter.
it's a
So it
pompie.
keeps the water clean and it circulates the water so it will heat up much quicker. Look at that nice cactus, huh?
Very nice.
Yes, it's nice.
And then,
But that thing will prick you, huh?
yeah, but you must
zal
not
steek.
be a prick.
I shall
No
steek.
pricks allowed.
And you see
So-
there's a nice big umbrella as well.
Umbrella, yeah, for the,
For the
nice
summer
sunny
months.
days. There's walking paths all over. You can walk down there into the gorge.
Ooh, the gorge, puppy, the gorge.
Everywhere. Just
Mama,
be-
los maar die stap vir die ander mense.
Ja, maar die slange ons nie pakkie. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
look at this. Everywhere is just cactus. Okay, this is a fig. A truxvy.
Yeah.
I don't know what a truxvy is. There's a word for it. Something
You're going
prickly.
to take 10 minutes
it
to get prickly pear.
Prickly pear, yeah. I
I
remember.
just remember prickly pear that you could drink.
Yeah. It looks like these five. They're ready.
They're full bloom.
We can harvest them tonight.
Oh, goodness. I'm not going to touch them.
Yeah, that's lots of thorns.
Tomorrow you can't touch the bike because you've got a lot of thorns in there. Okay, so now I'm standing in the middle of the house. There's another deck up here.
This is the kuier deck.
This is also very
That's-
nice. I think this is a nice touch. You put in
Oh.
your bottle of wine or your champagne. You can move the chairs to here. Then you've got this like a bunkie where you can put your
Yeah,
drinks,
I
your
like
chips, your whatever, and you watch my bikes.
I like a little bench like this to
Yes,
sit and kuier.
very nice.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah,
Look at
so-
that. Mama, you know what? This one,
Yeah.
it goes onto the
Hot
to the
tub
hot
as
tub as
well.
well.
Yes,
you just
I
hook
know.
it onto the hot tub.
Yes, that's one of the things Garth
Yeah.
also sells
That's-
with his hot tub.
That's quite nice, yeah.
Great. Okay, so this is the side where you can just sit and chill. If
Yeah.
you turn around, we've got a nice big gas bryer here.
Sure, that's a big
A
thing.
Mega Master.
Yeah, but I think you need a license to
work
operate this thing.
So
yeah.
if you're not licensed, there's another one that works with wood.
I
I'm
think-
sure you can put it somewhere.
Yeah, I think I'm going to use that one.
Yeah, put it down there.
I'll put it down there on the
Tussen die
gravel.
kaktusse en
Ja,
ons braai lekker.
ons maak 'n kaktusbraai
Ons
vanaand.
maak 'n kaktusbraai vanaand.
Lekker.
Okay. So inside, very nice and cozy.
This
very
is a
nice.
very
and
nice
cozy.
cabin. I really like the layout.
The layout is nice.
That's
This is
very
another
nice.
day bed.
Yeah.
There's no television because you don't need television.
I
here.
know what you're going to do
Dit
tomorrow.
is die klein Karoo, hier doen jy niks.
Tomorrow you're going to lie there the whole day. You're
And
going to
waiting for my coffee and
you're going to catch a lekker afternoon nap there.
oh lekker.
I can just see it.
The sun must just come in.
I hope you're not
nicely.
going to be bubbelas tomorrow.
No, what is that? I never had bubbles in my life.
Look at this. They've got a little welcome note for us here.
Yes,
Welcome, Keith and Lizanne. Have a lovely stay.
yes.
We must just swap the I and the E in my name. Okay, and there's a big.
And there's a note to tell you where the name comes from. Can I read it to you? The name of Matilo Cabins.
Ja.
Matilo Cabins belong to two people. The one is, let me just get it. The one is Matthias, and the other one is Nompilo. So they use the mat from Matthias and the ilo from Nompilo, and they made it.
That's the owners, yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
That's a cool story.
But there's contact
It's a
numbers,
mix.
emergency numbers, fire safety, everything on here.
I
You
like
can
these
read
mixed
it.
names. I like the mixed names.
Yes. Okay, so there's Wi-Fi. Yes.
Nice. Here in the veld, in the Karoo.
Yeah.
Can you believe it, huh?
Yes. And the nice big fridge freezer.
Yeah.
I've already packed our stuff inside,
Yeah,
but
because
I
we've had
saw
ice.
I saw they give you milk. I'm these days, if some of these houses gives you milk, I give them a 5 out of 5.
Why?
Because you always come here and they always give coffee, tea, whatever.
no milk.
And no milk.
Oh.
Now you sit.
Yeah.
Now it's black
And it's far
black
from-
and dirty.
Black and dirty.
Yeah.
And it's far from a cafe or something.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. And there's a little microwave you can use to heat up your food. They've got a toaster. They've got a blender.
I saw the blender just now.
Yeah.
That's quite nice.
Smoothies.
Huh? Yeah, smoothies for
They've
the
got
summer.
the Hoothoot here.
Okay.
Okay, and then there's a washing basin.
Mama, what is that switch there? That white switch.
I'm not sure.
Put it on.
I'm not
put
going to touch
put it on. Let me see. No,
No,
just
you
man,
touch
just
it.
put it on.
Oh, my goodness.
I'm not going to put something there that.
Up,
Oh, it's a
lovely.
little light at the back
Okay.
there.
Okay, so they
Okay.
give you coffee, tea, sugar. There's the things.
Okay. Look at that small potjie.
Yeah, there's salt and pepper, and then they give you the toothpicks.
Ah, you were
all your
this morning because we couldn't pack everything. You asked if they're gonna have salt and pepper. I said
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Now you've got it.
Yeah, I'm never sure, but you must read what they send you. And before, if they send it too late, you can go on the internet where you've booked. They always give a nice description.
Yeah, and I must say they are very clued up with the WhatsApps that they send you beforehand. They send you WhatsApps.
Yeah.
To give you
A lot of
a map,
information.
all the information, how to get in here. There's a lockbox on the gate, the code of the lockbox. They give you the Wi-Fi code. They give you everything, all the information. They actually told us that we must bring drinking water as well,
Yes.
because there's no drinking water here.
Yes.
So yeah, they give you all the
All
information,
the
which is very, very
information.
nice. Yeah.
Okay, so if you look in the cupboards, they've got all the cutlery. There's a scissor.
Yeah,
This
so-
is the braai stuff.
Okay, mamma, wat is hierdie tange?
Ja, groot tange.
Braaitang, pap. Hey,
Ja. And
I'm going to
then-
use that tonight.
Yeah, and then there's some pots and pans and
Pots and pans. I
things
don't
like
see
that.
a braaibak.
There's no braaibak, but
There's
because
no
it's a
braaibak.
barbecue thing, I think they put it into that glass container with a lid.
Nompilo, we need a braaibak, please.
We need a braaibak.
Well, I need the braai. I love braaibakke.
So there's some more glasses and cups
Like a wine glass.
and things like that.
Brandy, is there a brandy
Everything.
glass? Big? Oh, that's just those small
The
ones.
small ones. Okay, and then there's some games.
30 seconds
So
of
if you want
Monopoly.
to stay inside and it's cold, what you do is you light that nice stove there. They give you the wood.
Kacheltjie.
Yeah, put it on. Get the game
nice.
ready and play it on the sofa bed.
I must say, this is one of the kachels with the nicest view behind it, huh? Just look at that.
It's nice and open.
Everything is nice and open, yeah.
Lots
I love
of
it. I love
windows and
it.
stuff. So
Yeah,
while
and they
you're there,
give you wood as well, yeah.
let's show them the bathroom and then we go to the
Yeah, and we
sleeping
used the bathroom already
arrangements.
because we had to wash up after our long trip.
Oh, hair and stuff.
Get all the muggies off,
Yes.
the bugs.
So a nice and big
Lekker big shower, ja,
I know
lekker
you're gonna
high.
fit there.
A high shower.
Yeah, and they give you the soap
Soaps.
and the shampoo.
So, Mama, I love this. I love this clip. This
Yeah.
what do you
It's
call
not
stone?
marble, it's
It's
stone,
not
yeah.
marble. It's like a stone.
Yeah.
Yes, I love it. It's
Matte
very
black.
Yes, matte black. Yeah.
Yeah.
It
And
reminds me of my own shower at home.
Yeah, now you can say you've got a rain shower. at home. If you open this cupboard, there's a
Oh,
nice big hairdryer and
lekker.
extra
toilet paper
papier.
and the basin and a nice mirror for
A
you
nice mirror.
and the potty.
There's the potty. And yeah, that's the bathroom.
Ja, klein magetrein.
Klein magetrein, jy doen alles wat jy wil.
Ja.
Okay, then when you cross from the bathroom to the bedroom,
Oh, there's cactus even inside of the house. Look at this.
Ja, nee,
Let's
hy
look
moet
at this
sy naam
interesting mirror. The mirror almost looks like cactus.
Cactus,
Huh?
yes.
It looks like a cactus plant that's growing there.
I know this because I saw it on TV.
Oh, is it? Oh my goodness.
Okay, so
Ooh, is
now
it playroom?
every room opens up to the outside.
To the stoep, yeah.
Yeah, which
That
is very nice.
Yeah.
So you have this nice big bed, green. It goes with cactus, and then nice sofas. This is I like this. If you want to sit and you wanna tie your shoes and whatever, you use this. There's a nice dressing table with a chair where you can do your hair and your makeup if you don't want to do it in the bathroom.
Okay.
And then if you turn around, there's even an aircon. So in the summer,
I read in
use
the
that.
information they send us. They said you're allowed, because there's solar power here, you're allowed to use the aircon between 10 in the mornings and I think 6 in the evenings or something.
okay.
Yeah.
And then there's a nice big cupboard. I don't want to open it now because our stuff's
It's
inside
just
already.
bike stuff.
But there is nice soft blankets, extra blankets, in there. There's a strike machine and a plank.
An ironing board.
Ja, as jou klere nou nie vir jou lekker lyk nie.
Who wants to iron their clothes in the Karoo bosses?
Now,
Huh?
people that was in the army.
Ach, I was in the army.
They must do
I
their
was in
own
the-
ironing.
I was in the army and I don't iron my clothes.
Okay.
Okay, my love.
So this is this.
We talk so much. I'm thirsty now.
I love this barn door.
Look
the
at
barn
that.
doors is something that saves you so much space.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a nice
It's not a
big
door that open.
mirror.
Yeah. Are we gonna have supper here tonight or
I think
outside?
Down there if it's
Yeah,
not
but
too
it's
cold.
it's a very nice day. There's no wind.
No wind.
It's cool. I think it's
Yeah.
gonna be cold tonight, but there's no wind, which
Yeah.
is very very nice.
I think you can cook us the supper on the gravel, and then you bring me the meat to the hot tub.
Oh, you're gonna stay in the hot tub the whole day. Oh my word! Here we go again.
Here we
go
go
again.
I forgot to mention this place, the Cactus Deck by Matillo Cabins, Klein Karoo, Route 62 with hot tub, got a 9.6 out of 10. And it has been at booking.com, it's been awarded the prize.
Travelers Review Awards, yeah.
2026.
Yeah, but I can understand that because it's a freaking nice place.
Very nice
It's very
place,
very
yeah.
nice. Okay, that's good, my love. But
Yeah.
now, my klein tongetjie sit vas in my keel.
Die grootpa's het gepraat.
I want to show them something. Simon's Vlei Noemzaan brandy,
Ja.
which sponsors us, by the way, if you haven't seen the previous video. They've got something very, very nice.
Ja.
Especially for
Travelers.
travelers, 4x4 people, bikers. Even if you go hiking in the mountains,
Ja,
it's
ja,
amazing, huh?
Ja.
You buy little cups like this. They come in a, I think there was
Six-pack.
6-pack, yeah. They come in a 6-pack. You buy little cups like this, and they've got their brandy in already.
Ja.
All you have to do, look at that. There's like a little
Silver.
silver
Jy pluk hom.
tin fully in there, which you just pull it
Maar jou man.
like that. Hey, look at that. Look at that. It's a small container. It's a plastic container inside there.
Ja. Oh, I smell it.
You smell it. And then you just add your. Let me open yours
mix.
as well. Add your mix and your ice.
Ja.
Huh?
Very
This
nice.
is so clever.
Ja.
Look at that. I can't show you, but yeah, it's in there. Yo, Mama, you want some ice?
Yes, please.
So this is so nice for, as I said, travelers and.
Yeah, and if you don't have
If
much
you-
space,
I just wanted to say if you haven't
throw
got
it away
space-
after you use
Yeah,
it.
that's why I say like hikers with the backpacks. Oh, that'll be
Yeah,
so
and
nice
it
for them.
doesn't weigh anything.
Yeah, it's nothing, yeah. That's a very clever invention, I must say.
Yeah, but you'll have to make space because you can't just take 6. 6 each, yeah.
Oh, just 6.
Yeah.
No, but that's why we brought a bottle as well.
Yes, but if you're a hiker,
Noemzaan.
if you're a hiker, I'm not going to share my 6.
Oh yeah, no.
No.
Oh,
I'm
so,
going to fit 12 in for me.
so we're gonna drink this one first. But I cannot start a video without cracking the bottle.
Okay,
I just wanna-
We're actually
We're
going
gonna
to drink
this.
that in any case.
We're gonna drink it after this one anyway. So let's listen. This is the 5 here. This is the older crack.
Oh, older crack. Oh yes, I hear the older crack.
Older crack.
Ja.
Oh, Just smell it. I love it. I love it. Whew. Okay, so in the monster goes. Ooh.
Jy so lus het klaar 'n bewetjie op.
Now you can't see it
Dankie.
because this is a dark cup, a black cup. Cheers, my love.
Cheers, Henny. Hy gaan nou nie kaching nie.
No, there's no kaching today.
Ching.
Cheers. But we have to do it proper.
You're gonna gooi my ys uit.
I wanted to.
No.
It must spill a little bit.
No.
Cheers.
Don't
Okay,
waste
just
the
cheers
drop.
again. Cheers.
Cheers. Lekker. Nee, slukkie vir slukkie.
Man, I was so looking forward to this. Today I was on the bike and I thought, wow, can't we make a stop? I knew this was in the bag. I thought, can't we just make a stop?
The sherry made you that you want some more alcohol.
Yeah, but we are very responsible bikers.
Yeah, we are.
We don't drink and drive.
No,
Huh?
we don't drink and drive.
Sometimes with a car, a little bit, which
Yeah.
also these days you can't do it anymore.
Yeah.
But with a bike, I don't like to do that. Then I want to do a shout out.
Okay.
This shout out comes from me
Okay.
to somebody.
Okay.
I want to give this shout out to Gert and Chrysanda Botha from East London. People,
Oh,
these people just one day they just contacted me and they
offered their help.
offered me just to set up a WhatsApp group for me. They run the whole group. I didn't do nothing. I just read all the comments on the
Yeah, and
on the-
answer it.
Huh?
You just read the
and
comments
answer what
them.
people ask. Yeah, but that is so nice. So Gert and Cassandra, thank you very much. We really appreciate all your help. It's not easy to be on your phone the whole day and because people, you don't understand how many comments and how many questions and how many emails and WhatsApps and everything I get. It's crazy. So it's so nice that somebody else can manage that for
Offer
me.
to help, yeah.
So Gert, Cassandra, thank you very much. This kiki is on you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Mama. Nice to have people you can rely on in your life.
Yo.
And we don't even know them.
Ja.
So nice. Okay, mine is almost finished.
Jo, maar jy's haastig.
I'm thirsty, young. I'm thirsty. Wow, just look at this. The sun came out. All of a sudden there's sun. My love. And you in the sun already.
I'm just lying here.
Yo, I think...
Frotting.
Are you frotting? I think this bike trip damaged you, huh?
No.
You damaged
Just
good.
very, very
Huh?
nice lying here and doing nothing.
You damaged goods.
Hey,
Cheers.
thank you.
Where's my glass? You're on the Coke and I've still got the last bit of the
Monster.
monster. How's I? Cheers.
Cheers. Is soet.
I hope you enjoy your lie here, your rest.
My rest, my chilling out zone.
My ass is still sore. This was a long drive, huh? This was almost 400 kilometers.
Ja.
That was long.
Ja.
It's far drive.
Was one stop.
One stop, yeah. Why not?
If not.
I just felt the hot tub. It's low. It's low.
How low
But
can you go?
the weather is so nice now, huh? Look at this. This is crazy beautiful.
Yeah, between the mountains again.
Ja.
Wrapped around.
Nobody in sight. I just love these places.
Yeah.
I just love it. To be all on your own. Just me and my lovey.
Yeah, but you know,
I love it.
it's so difficult to catch these, what you see with your eyes on the video.
Yeah, you can't.
It's just not the same.
Yeah, it doesn't come out the same, yeah. At least you guys can get a bit of
a
idea.
bit of idea.
But just to stand here and just to hear nothing.
Yeah, the best thing
It's
is
just
just book it
so
by
cool.
yourself, book it and come experience it.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
nice. Okay, I gave in. I'm on the
Chilling bed.
cargo net. I'm chilling.
Yeah,
It's difficult for me to chill,
I know.
but I'm doing it. My love,
It took you an hour to get on the bed.
No man, I need music.
That's what's missing.
That's what's missing.
I've
we
been
need
wondering
music.
what the hell is
too
going
much.
on.
There's too much nothing here.
Yeah.
Huh?
Actually, yeah.
There's nothing
Some
here.
people like the
I know.
nothingness.
I can't.
We like it for a little bit,
Yeah,
but then we want to be entertained.
I can't do nothing
No, but
because I've
nice
got.
music, there's nobody around us.
When
so-
it's so quiet like this, I don't know if you guys know tinnitus. I've got tinnitus in my ears, so it's those
Sunbeesies.
sonbeesies. I got the English word for sonbeesies the other day,
Yeah,
and
me
now
too.
I can't remember
Can't
it.
remember it.
But
we
anyway-
saw it on a video.
Yeah, I saw it on a video, and I told you, hey, that's sonbeesies.
Yeah.
No, I can't remember it. But anyway, yeah. So when it's too quiet, I go crazy. My ears doesn't want too much of nothingness. So I brought the small speaker key again.
Yeah, that's
That
good.
small one, yeah. The bike one.
The bike one. I just wanted to
So I
say.
think I'm going to put some music on.
Yes, man.
But I actually enjoy it now so much here. Looking at the sun is going to go down
But
within.
why do you think if the music is on you can't watch?
Yeah, I can, but I must get
Yeah.
up now. That's the thing.
Oh.
Listen, the sun is going to go down within the next 10 minutes.
Wow.
There's going to be no more sun.
Jeez. And we must get into the hot tub.
This is beautiful, people. Our country is next level beautiful. This is just ridiculous, really. Huh? This is crazy. How can you live in a country like this
Yeah.
and not
Experience this.
experience this and explore our country? This is, whoa, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Cheers. On the best country in the world, South Africa.
South Africa.
All you people from overseas, come and visit us, man. I know you guys think it's dangerous here and
It's not dangerous.
if you go out of the cities are, you must know where to go. But if you go out of the cities like this, it's
Oh my
not
goodness.
dangerous. Huh?
Not dangerous. There's no lions walking around here.
Have you ever felt unsafe at one of these places?
Never,
Never.
ever. Never,
and
ever.
you're quite a scared person.
Yeah. No, I'm
It's-
only scared about. I'm scared for snakes and spiders.
And
They are all around
and
here.
sometimes Henny when it's full moon.
Yes.
You're scared of me.
anyways. Full moon. Oh,
I don't know what the moon is going to be like
No,
tonight,
it's
but
not full moon. I'm gonna put it off.
put the switch off. Wow, just look at this. I've never seen this. We've got a whirlpool. There's a twirly in our hot tub. Yo. This is crazy. I've got the pump on. So it's sucking the water out and I just stirred the water. Now it made it. Look at that. What? Mama, there's a hole in our water.
Yeah, imagine
Huh?
you're sitting in it and you go down the drain. What then?
You go down the drain. Yo, look at that. I've never seen something like this. Yo. My
Let's
love,
do this
it's
thing.
cooking time. It's cooking time, huh?
Yeah, do this thing.
I'm gonna do it now. I'm just taking a sip. I need to hydrate.
Hydrate, okay.
Otherwise, I'm gonna dehydrate.
That's bad.
My love, tonight, I'm gonna make us something special.
What you call it?
My famous shroom pakkie.
Okay.
For the English people, a shroom pocket. Huh?
Surprise, whatever you like.
A pocket? I think it's a pocket. But anyway, what we need is some lekker big mushrooms. That is the shrooms, obviously.
I will prepare them. You put them there.
Oh, you're gonna do that.
I'll prepare them for you.
How many are we gonna do?
Just two.
Just two. Let's make three.
Make three.
I think I'm gonna have three. Two, and you can have one.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. Okay. While you're doing that, I'm gonna cut up the pear, small pieces. Let's do it like that. Okay.
If it's not a soft pear, you can put it in the microwave for 2 minutes.
Yeah, you actually did this. I saw this last night. I saw
Yeah.
you actually prepared the
I did
pear.
a little bit of preparation.
Yeah, but it's not necessary. It just makes it easier.
Yeah, because nowadays the pears you buy is clip hard.
Yeah, they're very hard, yeah. So it must be small blocks. Like that.
You love mushrooms, eh?
I love mushrooms.
Okay, dis is 'n bietjie gesond.
No, I don't like raw mushrooms. Nee. Nee,
Wat
not gonna
daai nie.
catch me out like that. Okay, small blocks like that, you see? There we go.
And what I'm doing is just making a pocket. You see? This is where the pocket
that's
comes
deep
from.
enough. That's deep enough. Otherwise,
Yeah.
it's gonna fall through.
Yeah, so just you make like a pocket where you can fill it up.
Mama, my hands are
Dam,
quite dumb this tonight, huh? Why?
van die grootpa's het gepraat.
I think it's the brandy. I think I need more brandy. You know what? It's the. I always say it, but it's the adrenaline of the motorcycle. Huh?
Ag, sure ja.
Going through those corners and the
Sure,
passes,
yeah.
and it's just and leaning in the corners. It's just so nice.
But I must just give you a very good compliment. I just hate Trudeau's pass.
Trudeau pass, yeah, I know
And
you do.
you did it very nicely.
Is it?
I didn't feel unsafe 1 second.
Oh,
So thank you very much
There
for
was
that.
one corner I almost lost it.
Oh no, I didn't know about that. So why did you mention that now? I take everything back.
No, I was inside of me. I went like, oh shit.
Son is going to freak.
I think this is enough for 3 of them. Huh?
Okay, fill it up.
Yeah, that's enough.
You fill it, I'll pack them there.
So now we take the
And
the
there.
pear and you put the blockies of pear in.
You're pairing
We're pairing.
with a mushroom.
Oh, I've got wine, but we haven't got wine now to pair. Yeah. Oh, I know what you're saying.
The speaker
The
always
speaker, the
says,
small speaker.
I am pairing.
It's. I told you last time I bought it in Thailand, and every time you put it on, the speaker or the Bluetooth is ready.
pairing.
Is ready to pair, and then say the Bluetooth has paired. That's it, Mama.
Now this is the pears.
This is the pears in the shrooms.
Now,
Now I want the blue cheese.
you can do that yourself.
You don't like it.
Stinky.
This pear is nice,
Yeah.
half cooked. No?
Half cook, I told you.
It's actually quite nice. I'm just gonna move that up to there.
What I'm doing is I'm taking raw walnuts and
You're chopping them, Mama. You're chopping them.
I'm not chopping them.
Okay.
I don't have a knife.
I'm struggling with this thing,
I'm
but
cupping them
I see what you're doing.
with a copy.
Okay, so then the blue cheese. Mama, just smell this.
Oh, don't get
Oh
out of...
my word! I love blue cheese. You're not so fond of it, but I love it.
I'm not so fond, but I will
But
eat
the
it.
blue cheese with a pear together, you like it. You
Yeah,
like
yeah,
it.
yeah, I know. Blue cheese and pear and walnuts.
And blue cheese and fig.
yeah, yeah.
It's also quite nice.
Figs. You want some figs? I don't think we must put in too much.
No, pear
Don't mess with the recipe.
Yeah, no, the pear is enough. So then you put the blue cheese in, like so. Julle, dis weer lekker. Ons gaan ons tande stomp eet. Mama, this music is very soft.
Doesn't matter.
That's just enough.
That's just enough.
You don't want to put too much blue cheese in, otherwise it
It's
just
overbearing.
Yeah, it just takes over the taste.
Het jy nou my groot woord gehoor?
Overbearing. I know. In 2 hours' time,
There's nothing coming out of this hole.
There's gonna be no big words like that. You wanna lick my fingers?
No! You lick them. Lickety split.
My word, I love blue
Can
cheese.
I add the walnuts?
Yeah, you can sprinkle the walnuts. So remember now, it's the mushroom, it's the pears, it's the blue cheese, and now the walnuts. This is so nice.
Drop us a comment what you think about this.
Yeah, make it at home and taste it and tell us what you think. And we're not finished
What's better
yet.
than tasting it at home is book this place, make it here, and then tell us.
You can book it
Directly?
by WhatsApp this number here.
Yeah, directly,
Up.
then you get discount.
Above Lizanne's head. Mama, is there enough space?
Toot.
You can contact them, you can phone them or WhatsApp them and book it. It's an amazing spot. I must just say, Did you see the sun is gone?
Yeah, and
Oh.
still you can just don't stop
Yeah.
looking outside.
Yeah. Mama, and we're gonna do some lekker steaks tonight. Lekker steaks. Mama, and now you take the bacon, okay? And you slap it like, oh, let me just get that out of the way. You slap it like that, and like make a cross, and then, because this is such big mushrooms, we're gonna have to do that as well. If it's a
Yeah.
small mushroom, you don't need the
You
third
can
one.
take 4 if you,
You must
like.
actually, but we've got 3 mushrooms. There's not enough
Oh,
bacon.
there's not enough bacon.
Remember, we came with a bike.
Oh,
Remember?
sorry,
Mama, slucky,
man.
slucky.
Who's sorry now? Not me.
Best luckies. Okay, so now you put that mushroom in there, in the middle, and you just wrap him. Poop. Mama, where's your toothpicks?
Ready to go.
These mushrooms are big. Look at that.
you're a
Look
big
at
man.
that. It's coming along. Oh, yes. And then you just
Perfection.
stick it. You stick it in the center like that.
Perfection.
Look at that.
Only one.
Huh?
Put in another one.
No, it's not necessary. That's
I
going to be
think
enough.
It's enough.
But now for me, I always do something different.
Oh, I know what's happening now.
You know what's going to happen.
I know.
Okay, that's that one and that one. Like a cross. So I'm going to take this one and I'm just going to add a little bit
Only a
of
little bit.
garlic.
Remember, blue cheese is already strong.
I know, but I like strong stuff. I'm a strong person. I've got a...
Ever had pear with garlic? I'm not sure that's gonna work.
Mama, I like it like that. Not, you smell it.
Keep the devils away.
Gooi het, papi, gooi het. Sit hom in. O
my
my, die helfte is
vrek.
mis.
Wat koek vanaand
As hy-
slaap ek.
And then-
Daan, jy slaap daar.
And then just a little bit of the sauce. That garlic sauce.
Oh no, I'm dying over
Just a
here.
bit of sauce. As hy-
Why? Why, people, why?
Must I sleep outside tonight?
Now you sleep on the day bed
Oh.
because this is actually a sleep, 3 sleep. So you can bring your child along.
Is it the 3 sleep?
Yeah.
Oh,
Can
that's
sleep
a bed.
there and
Okay.
the parents inside there.
Okay, Mama. This is it now. Nou gooi ons vir hom so. I'm going to have to stretch these.
Stretch it,
Yeah, stretch
puppy.
it, because this
like
is-
a tent.
Yeah, because this is a big mushroom. You actually bought 2 big mushrooms.
No, I looked for the biggest one.
No, we need
And
a
I
little bit
didn't
smaller.
realize.
What I'm going to make.
No, I don't.
But
I
it doesn't
knew.
matter. It can
I
stretch.
just thought you very hungry.
It can stretch. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay. Daar's hy.
Gorgeous.
Mama, what is this? A piece of...
I don't see
String.
anything.
Ah, say man. It's a string.
Oh, is one enough?
Huh? Yeah, one is enough. I
My
stretched
goodness.
it. Look at that.
Wow.
So I'm going to make the other one.
Looks like roses.
I'm going to make the other one and then I think I must... It's too early to light the
No,
fire.
We can still see
We
if
must
the
get in a hot tub.
Is nice and
I think that hot tub is hot.
Yeah.
So we can get in there. Yeah. So we're going to do the steak, this, and I saw there's the salad.
Yeah, I bought the salad at Spar and I juiced it up a bit.
Oh, lekker. I feel like
Juicing up what?
eating everything tonight. I'm not going to
Hold back.
hold back. I'm just going to...
I know you
Gooi.
so well, eh?
Huh?
I
I'm
know
hungry
you so
tonight.
well.
After that big burger this afternoon, I'm freaking hungry. You
I
can't believe
thought
it.
you're gonna die.
At least we haven't got a platter.
Yeah,
That can fill
at
me
least,
up. At least, yeah. So there's going to be space for this.
Thank you for that.
I say, all done, huh? And we just had enough bacon for 3. Lekker.
Henny,
Cheers, my love.
I just discovered this.
First aid kit.
As jy vanaand in 'n kaktus val, kan ek jou red. Nurse Betty is hier.
En 'n kaktus.
En 'n kaktus.
Dan gaan ek moet ver stap hier af
Ek
om
moet
by 'n
kyk.
kaktus uit te kom. Of
allerhande goedjies.
praat jy van die kaktus hier binne?
Ek dink wat ek vir jou gee is ek gee vir jou 'n rennie en ek bind jou mond toe.
Rennie, I actually felt like swybrand just now.
Regtig?
Ja, heartburn.
Okay, take
Not, okay, give me a Rennie. I'll take a Rennie. Because I just, when I had
Oh
to...
goodness, and there's an alcohol pad. I'm gonna throw it in there, and then you can eat it. and drink the rest.
Tomorrow morning you must give me the alcohol
Plak
pad.
it all over you.
Give me a Rennie. When I had those chippies just now,
Yeah.
I felt, oh goodness, I didn't drink my
This is
my
a
pilletjie
nice
at home.
thing to have, a first aid kit
Ja.
with rennies and alcohol pads. Very good.
Thank you, Matilo Cabins, for the rainy.
Yeah.
This is gonna save me tonight, especially if I get that garlic in it.
Yeah, and see what happens tonight if you need this tomorrow.
Oh no, tomorrow you just pluck a pleister.
Alcohol pad.
Mama, I'm gonna fill up these glasses. Cheers.
What is that? Ice.
I thought it's a piece of bacon.
I thought it was a piece of suurlemoen.
Oh, but anyway, cheers. I'll meet you in the hot tub. Okay. Lekker. I love every time we get in this bath, at whichever place,
I fall in love with it all over again.
I just feel like we've arrived.
Yeah,
Huh?
nee?
This is so special. This is so romantic with a sunset at the back. Okay, it's not much of a sunset, but
It
at
was
least.
a little bit of pink.
But Mama, the weather, there's just no wind, nothing.
Nothing.
Huh?
Yeah.
This is just amazing. Look at all the lights there. Oh no, man.
I'm waiting for those.
I don't know if they're gonna come on by themselves. Look, it's cold tonight, huh?
Yeah.
But it's actually freaking
it's
nice
actually
in here.
winter.
It's cold tonight, but there's no. Imagine it was cold with wind.
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
this is-
then you couldn't
this is so
sit
nice.
here.
Mama, we've got a good life, huh?
Oh my goodness, yes.
I love this life of ours. Yes, this is crazy.
Choices, choices.
How did we get so lucky to do this?
I'm not sure.
Yes, you know, this is just
We are
ridiculous.
blessed.
We're blessed. We're very blessed, yeah. I must say, this is, I think, the best. I don't want to call it a job because this is not a job.
No, it's just fun all the way.
This is the best thing that you can do in your life. Huh? Yeah, I love it. I love it. Come on, I see you've got some flowers here today for us.
It's rose petals.
Rose petals. Ooh.
Flower me.
Flower you, flower you. I'm sprinkling you with flowers. But now a girl with flowers must be kissed.
Oh, yeah.
I think we must put the camera off.
Look where this flower is sitting.
That one, that his name is Keith.
Oh! Come here, Keith.
It's not Henny, it's Keith. Mama, the flowers sink. Why?
You must get them
They're
out.
not supposed to sink. Huh? There's another one there. Oh, I
Every
feel it.
time I bring my flower petals,
Petals.
it's getting less and less and less.
Yeah, because we lose a lot of
We
them.
lose a lot of
We
them.
always lose some of them.
But
That's so nice.
doesn't matter, I'll get some more.
It's so nice underneath this water, huh? Woo, Mama. This is the life.
Papa?
I say. Oh. We're totally in a different vibe than last week.
Oh yes, it's like romantic
This is
week.
very romantic, yeah.
Yeah.
Last week we were just gooing the brandy.
Oh my
We're gooing
goodness.
the brandy as well, but I don't know, last week, I think it's because we didn't eat. Today we had a moer of a lunch.
Oh my
huh?
goodness, that was so
That was
much.
a big lunch.
I'm still full. Yeah.
No, I'm looking forward to the food we're gonna buy.
Ow!
What?
Ek sit vas.
Oh, it's sucking you.
Yes.
Must I put that pumpy off?
No, leave the pumpy on.
You can put it off there, there's a switch there.
Leave it on.
Leave it on.
I
But then you
just want to
mustn't.
sit there.
Don't sit on the.
Jeez, I thought I'm gonna lose my leg.
Oh, but there's one of your
Petals.
petals in the
Oh,
pumpkin.
jeez. This must now, if I get out, there's gonna be a ring sting.
Ringsting. A ringsting close to the ringsting.
No, no, on the leg.
On the soft meat.
On the soft meat.
I love what?
Music have
What
you got
slow
on here?
music
My
is
goodness,
this,
I'm
huh?
gonna go sleep now.
I've put. Look at this. Me and my boer maak 'n plan ideas. Look at this. I've got a speaker in there.
Oh, you see, there's many uses of this
Many
ice
uses.
bucket.
But the music is terrible.
Yeah, I know.
Huh?
Can you just forward it or something?
What song is this?
I don't know, but it's like
Can you hold that for me?
it's like
It's like, let's go to bed.
I'm not sure. No, it's not even that. Put me in the ground.
You mama nie. I don't know what that is, but let's skip him. Skip.
lekker musiek.
Lekker
man,
musiek.
Lekker Willis.
Willis. Maybe I was.
Ja.
You know what? I'm in the wrong file.
Ja, I thought so.
I thought so. You
Jeez.
thought so, yeah. I'm in the wrong file.
I'm not going to a funeral now.
What is that song that you like?
Daai Italiaanse.
Ja.
Daai Italiaanse man.
I think it's not in that. I just, yeah.
We've listened to that not very
Ah, I've got it.
often.
I've got it.
Wat? Ja, ja.
Ah!
Daar sy nou, daar sy nou.
Hallo, by.
Hallo, by.
Maar gaan ons 'n bietjie harder sit.
Ja, 100.
It's lekker hot inside now. Ooh, it's getting hotter and hotter.
I think
Ooh, I still don't understand the word, but my goodness, I love
I
it.
must get up for this one.
Whoa!
I wanna
Crescendo, what does that
rain.
mean?
I wanna rain love on you.
Whoa! Put it down on me. Put it down.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Oh, we must finish this. We must open the wine.
Yep.
I feel like drinking
You
wine
know
now.
what? Every time I see these bottles, they've got more stickers on.
Yeah, look at. But that one's got nothing on now. Why?
This one's got four
Four stickers.
There's no more place to put the sticker.
That's a Pinotage. This is the Bashante, but looks like the Bashante didn't win anything that
But I
year.
don't talk about the Bishante, talk about
Yeah.
this one with all the stickers.
Yeah, but you see, this is a 2024.
Okay, this is a 2024.
Also.
Also.
Oh.
And it's already have 4 prizes. Wow. For this price, buy it.
Buy it on our website. That's easy. www.
Double gold. on
doing
the sea
it
with
together.
Double gold.
.co.za.
Yeah. Go for
I must
gold.
open that. I must open that.
Go for
Down
gold.
that, too. Please, down it.
She's allemaal weer lekker muziek.
Woe, woe. Jessie, jy sien van hier nie. Ja? You're not from here. You're from the strand, papi. Jy's 'n strandhond.
'n Strandbakker, brakke.
Het ons wijnglase. Ja, mama, you just give us everything. And I'm gonna put this in the light. Lekker Babalas mix. I'm gonna feed you
Ooh.
a cabanossi and a piece of fat.
Oh.
Oops. No, that's just a piece of biltong. Here's the fat. I also want one. Cabanossi.
I feel like a Greek goddess. Sitting
So
here
fat.
listening to this music and getting feed.
No, I'm telling you. Mama, you want the Bashante, huh? I'm gonna have the Bashante with you. And then tonight when we braaiing steak, so red meat, red wine. Whoop.
Oh my goodness, this music make me itch.
Itch! Itch all over. I can scratch you. You want me to scratch you? Huh? I'll scratch you later.
My back is.
Allee.
Dankie.
Woo! Oh, that Babalas mix is nice. Hectic biltong, papi. Hectic biltong. You want another one? I'm gonna feed you before I cheers. And a piece of fat.
It's too late for Mother's Day, but you must remember Father's Day.
Yeah.
Baskets, cakes, we make the most amazing stuff. So order them.
It's gonna be busy.
It's going to be very busy.
It's gonna be so put your order in
A week before.
early.
Yeah.
Before Father's Day.
Yeah.
It's one of our busiest days, Father's Day. All the cakes, all the baskets, everything flies. Cheers, my love. Having fun with you is just so much fun. Drink it all up. It's gonna come, puppy. I can feel it.
What?
The wine on top of that brandy. I can feel
Oh.
it. It's coming. It's coming like a thief in the night.
I just wanted to say.
Dief in die nag.
I just wanted.
I was
to
thinking
say
in Afrikaans, so I had to
translate it.
translate it. Woo! But this music, mama, we must make a bonfire and we must do our own Africa burn tonight.
Oh,
Huh? Woo! I feel like partying tonight.
oh, good.
And we're gonna dance. But we can't dance on this soft music.
This is like
This speaker key is not doing it for me.
it's
Woo.
good enough.
It's better than your phone.
I just can't get over this double gold.
Double gold.
That's very good.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah.
But that's very nice wine. I
And
must say,
now
I
I'm-
love that wine.
I'm very interested to see if you scan this code, what do you get? Maybe a 3-pack wine?
I don't think so. I think it's going to take you to their website.
Maybe. Yeah, and then you can order a 3-pack wine.
Yeah. Mama, are we ever going to get out here?
No.
We're going to stay in here. But we have to braai tonight, huh? Okay, I finally lit the freaking fire. Whew. What a battle. Look at these nice lights. And yeah, the lights on the deck also came on. Look at that. Mama, the lights are on. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Woo, look, they're going according to the beat. Huh? Woo, Mama, look at this. What clothes is this? Huh? Why is there so many clothes here? My love, luckily I can't see you. Luckily I can't see you.
Yippee!
Yippee! But you must get out now. Please.
Why?
You must get out.
Oh no.
I just lit the fire.
I told you I'm going to eat in here.
My love, it's 10:15. I just checked. It's 10:15 again.
That is what Tabs Zeta do.
I know. It's terrible.
You can't get out.
It's terrible.
It's from your bed to the bed.
From your bed. No.
Here to the bed.
No. I'm still gonna braai.
That's why I'm waiting.
No.
Why are we waiting?
I know that water is nice, but please get out. I pour us another lekker wynkie, BC Wines, and we sit around. I'll even take some chairs. Some of these chairs. I'll take the chairs down, and we sit around the fire. Come on, my love. I'm cold now. I'm naked and I'm cold. Please.
I'm afraid.
You afraid? Naked and afraid. Yeah, I'm losing everything I've got.
Yeah.
So come on, get out, please. Okay. Cheers, my love.
Cheers.
Welcome out of the hot tub. Huh?
Oh, yeah.
That hot tub made you
nearly
lazy.
Didn't make it.
Huh? You almost didn't make it. I saw it. I actually, you won't believe it, but I actually went to save her. She was drowning.
Yo.
I just saw gluk, gluk, gluk,
Nee,
gluk, 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 gluk,
Is
gluk.
die drein wat so maak?
No, your head was under the water.
You liar.
But welcome to the fire. This is the fire pit.
Welcome to my world, you
Yeah,
must say.
welcome to my world.
Yeah.
Huh? And this is a lovely world. This world is next level.
Next level.
Mama, this is beautiful. I love this. And you know what? This afternoon when we got here, I thought, this road is going to bother me. With all the car, it's actually quite nice to see a car once in a while.
Yeah,
a
coming
car
past.
coming up, yeah.
Yeah,
It's like there's life out there.
Yeah, and there's not much noise.
No, it's actually very,
nice.
very nice, yeah. No, I like it. Well, you hear them a
This
little.
one is speeding.
Yeah, that one is
As I
speeding.
said,
Yeah, but
nothing
now it's gone.
Yeah.
You only hear it when it's down there.
gone.
Yeah, it's crazy. No, I love this place. Huh? I know I say it a lot. To all the places we go to, I say I love it. But this place, it's really, the Karoo is, it's something special.
Sheep.
No, you just think of a Karoo lammetjie.
Ek soek nou 'n choppie.
I'm gonna braai some steak for you.
I know.
and the shroompies. I'm gonna braai the shroompies for you.
Are they going to talk to me?
They're gonna talk to you.
Okay.
No, they're gonna talk to you.
Then I'll try and stay awake for the shroopies.
No, Mama, you mustn't fall asleep.
Listen, it's late.
I know people, it's very late.
It's dark
It's
outside.
very late. I think it's close to 11 o'clock. No, I think it's past 11 o'clock.
That's
it was
why.
Earlier on, way back, it was 10:15.
Now,
Yeah.
you know, if you eat now, it's not good for your digestion. It's too late.
Oh, we don't care about that. Tomorrow we go on again. Cheers. People, it is coming along. It is coming along. Woo! Soon we're gonna eat. I'm actually quite freaking hungry. You can't believe it. And these balls, they're gonna be ready within 5 minutes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. My goodness. This is the best ever. Woo! Lekker. Cheers, my love. Huh? It's late. I know it's late.
Ek is uitgemergel.
Jy's uitgeput. I can see it. It was a long drive today. And she's tired. I'm sorry.
Don't worry. Don't be sorry.
I'm sorry because it's not always that we drive so far to a place. But anyway,
It's okay.
cheers.
Cheers, I've already taken a sip.
Oh,
A nightcap.
oh, lekker. This red one is lekker. Mama, look at this. This is, oof, jitte. This is the one with the garlic. So I'm going to just take that one for me.
Okay, I just want a little one.
That's a little one.
please.
That's a small one. There's no
Thank
garlic in there.
you.
And then I'm going to give you the small. It's perfectly medium to rare. Just
Thank
the way you
you.
like it.
Just the way
Mama,
I
and there's a
like
piece
it.
of fat on there.
I see that.
I'm going to take this whole piece because I'm
Oh,
freaking hungry. Look at that. Look at
goodness.
that. Oh my word.
Where
I
are
can,
you going?
Oh, I can just smell it. I can just smell it. Oh, what salad is this?
Noodle.
Noodle. Oh, this looks amazing. Yo, huh?
You're just hungry.
What? I know. No. I know you bought this at Spar, but you zoot it up.
Yeah, a little
What
bit.
did you add some cheese? I can see there's a lot of cheese in there.
Cheese,
and
tomatoes,
mayonnaise and
and
tomato.
mayonnaise.
Mama, you also want some?
No,
I can take.
Enjoy yourself.
I can take it all.
enjoy yourself.
My love,
I'm just
take
gonna have
some
this.
for you. You don't want salad?
I just want a little bit of each.
Mama, this is gonna be amazing.
Because I'm so tired, it feels like my head's gonna drop in the plate.
I can see you tired. I can see it.
But I'm holding out for a hero.
Cheers. You my hero. I know
Okay,
you're
thank
tired,
you.
but you're my hero.
Okay,
Huh?
thank you.
Enjoy it. I think we say good night here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good night and goodbye.
Good night and goodbye. We will see you tomorrow morning. Mama, I'll make you some coffee in
Okay,
bed. You're going to be
okay.
nice and rested tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Lekker chilled. I'll make you some nice coffee. We're going to eat breakfast. Whatever is left here, I think I'm going to eat my whole piece of steak.
Oh, goodness gracious.
So whatever is left of your steak, we're
ma-
going to eat tomorrow.
Okay.
Cheers. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Cheers, Mama. Cheers. Bye. Good morning. Good morning. Phew, what a cold, cold morning. I'm telling you, it's freezing out here. Jeez, look at this. It's beautiful, but it is freezing. It must be like 5 degrees or something. Yo. I just made us some coffee. Zana is still in bed. She said she can't get up this morning, it's too cold. But yo, we had a lekker steak last night. That steak was perfectly medium to rare. It was still a little bit bloody, but we like it like that. And the shroom pockets was just as nice. If you don't like blue cheese, you're not gonna like this. So don't even attempt to make it. It drops here. If you don't like blue cheese, but you can swap the blue cheese with a nice mature cheddar cheese, a 12-month-old mature cheddar. It must be a strong cheese. That will be very nice. But I like the blue cheese. It's just I like the flavor, like the taste of it. Phew, I'm flipping shaking in my pants here. And the hot tub is still steaming. Don't know if you can see it, but the hot tub is still steaming down there. Yo, I think I'm gonna join Lizanne in the bed again. Can't take this. This cold. Good morning, my love. Huh? With your clean Coke.
No, I just wanted to say the skoon Coke.
Skoon Coke, yeah.
As our songs say, glass in hand. We always have a glass in the hand.
Oh,
If it's water, if it's Coke, or it's brandy, or it's wine.
You're talking about the Doing It Together song?
Yeah.
Yeah, but why not?
Oh, skuld is
I didn't put ice in because it's too bloody cold. Yo, I'm telling you, it is
Yeah, I'm just
damn
going to
cold.
put it down here to warm my hands.
Mama, let's do a recap.
Yeah,
Huh?
a quick recap before.
Lovely cabin. I love it. I really love it.
Nice views between the mountains,
Yeah.
surrounded by the mountains.
Karoo
A
bossies.
lovely hot tub, a day bed
Yeah, it's very
outside,
nice.
the cargo net bed, a big deck that you can enjoy yourself on.
Yes, I love this deck. Huh?
Very nice.
We didn't do the dancing thing last night because it was just too cold.
It was
And
very
you were a
cold.
bit tired, huh?
Yeah, well, I don't
Mama,
know
there-
what.
There's a cactus in my shoe.
Oh, I just wanted to say that's also a nice feature of this cabin is all the cactuses. It makes
Yeah.
a very nice picture.
Yeah, I love the
Yeah.
green of the cactuses.
And we had a very nice sleep. There's a very nice bed.
That bed
Oh.
is a stiff bed. And I
Yeah.
don't really like stiff beds. But that bed is stiff, but also
But
soft.
comfortable.
It was
Yeah.
fun. And that duvet is so damn hot.
Oh.
Yo,
Yes, it
I was
was very
sweating
nice.
last night.
And it's nice and dark inside the room,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
we slept till
No,
after 8.
It was very nice. It was very nice.
Yeah. And yeah, it's nice and spacious inside. The kitchen's got everything you need. You can do gas braai, you can do hout braai outside.
No, I think this is
Very
a
nice.
perfect cabin.
Yeah.
I will definitely rate this. Okay, there's one thing I want to just mention. The front door, the sliding doors, they don't close properly.
Yeah.
I think the locks are broken or something, so they've got a chain that you have to put on and then lock it. Like last night when I locked us in, I felt chained up. I thought, and not in a good way. And, and then it doesn't close properly, so there's a gap.
Yeah.
And I think the cold air comes through there.
Yeah,
So it's
yeah.
quite cold. Yeah,
So if you can just fix the
yeah,
front door,
if they can fix that front
give us
door,
a braai bak and 2 brandy glasses, then
I'll give it a 10.
top notch.
Yeah, I'll give it a 10.
Top
But
notch.
at the moment, I'll give it a 9.2.
9 point.
9.2 for me.
Yeah.
But if you fix the doors and the braaibuck and the glasses, 10,
Yeah, this is
definitely.
this is actually a perfect place.
Look, it's silly things I'm moaning about. I'm not
Yeah.
moaning, I'm just mentioning
mentioning it for
But,
them.
yeah.
And then another top-notch thing about this cabin is the price. You must just go check out the price. And as we said, you can, if you book directly with them, it's cheaper than when you go onto booking.com or all those places.
Number above here,
Yes.
somewhere, this side,
Contact
that
them.
side.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can phone them directly.
It's not pet friendly,
Oh yeah,
but
I just wanted to ask you.
take
if
a
it's-
break. Both of you just come.
Leave the kids at home.
Leave the kids at home
The
for
f-
one
the f-
weekend.
The furry kids.
Yeah, leave them at home for one weekend and just come enjoy yourself. Have a romantic weekend. We had a very romantic time.
It was very nice.
Yeah.
And this hot tub, I'm telling you, this hot tub is it just do things to you.
Yeah, sorry for just mentioning the Tub ZA hot tub all the time, but it's really spectacular.
It is
Very nice.
Yeah. We don't find them often,
Yeah.
but when we find them, we just love
Yes,
them. Like
yeah.
last night again.
Yeah,
I
you
think
can't
I,
get
I
out.
only got up at 10:15.
Yeah.
It's just so nice. Yeah. But okay,
Yeah.
Mama, that was nice. Thank you
Yes.
very much. Now we're just going to relax for the rest of the day.
Yes.
It seems like it's going to become cloudy again.
The sun is out a bit.
Yeah, a little bit, but now
But,
the
yeah.
clouds are coming over again. So
Yeah, and they've got a information leaflet inside, places nearby you can visit.
You can
There's
drive
wine
around,
places
yeah.
near
Calitzdorp,
Calitzdorp. There's wine farms and stuff at Calitzdorp.
like
and
a port.
restaurants.
Isn't Calitzdorp known for their port? I think they're the port town.
Oh, okay.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, so we can go and look at there if you want.
It's only about 20 k's, I think. So maybe we
also.
must go and buy some port.
Oh,
But anyway, this was nice. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing.
yeah, remember to subscribe.
Remember to
new
subscribe.
people.
Please, it costs nothing and it will just help us a lot.
Yeah. If you know somebody that's got a cottage or a cabin or something and they want us to come do
Anything.
some marketing for them,
Yeah,
please
anything.
contact us.
Yeah, contact us. We will come and make a lekker video there for you
Yes.
gladly. Okay, Mama. Cheers. I'm going to keep you warm today.
Ooh, lekker.
Hopefully we get some port and I can just
Pour it in
pour
my
it in,
mouth.
put it in, yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers. Thanks again and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.